Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to fix Facebook Messenger call problem. So if in the case that your Messenger applications is having some troubles with its call options, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this issue. So what we need to do and make sure first is that we have stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi. So go ahead and double check your Wi-Fi if you have a stable internet connection. And what you could also do is to try yourself data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. And the last thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to make sure that we are using the latest version of Facebook Messenger on our device. So go ahead and search for the Messenger application on your app stores and make sure that you are using the latest version on your device. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you, please, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.